How to fix disk structure is corrupted and unreadable error on Windows 10. To fix disk structure is corrupted and unreadable error on Windows 10, try 1. Unplug all unused/unwanted removable storage. Reboot your PC later. 2. Uninstall then reinstall device drivers, using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. Reboot your PC later. Three. Back up your data, then reformat your external hard drive. 4. Run the chkdsk command as administration. 5. Run msdt.exe. ID device diagnostic command in command prompt as admin.